Hello the internet! It is Sunday the 27th of September 2020 and welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking out the GoPro Hero 9 for the first time ever on a surf. We've got two GoPro Hero 9s. I've got this guy here. It's gonna be mount mounted like this. Got one on the board down here. These suckers are large. What is not large is the swell this morning. There's hardly anything. We're gonna find something though. Look up there, there's a little left. Tide's going out, so maybe there'll be something to be had. At the point that we're at with the GoPro Hero 9, the Max Lens mod is not available yet. And that's pretty much the only reason I upgraded to the 9. Actually, my 7s were broken, or one of my 7s is busted. Just stuck on a single frame, won't go past it. Very, very strange error. Records audio, but not a video. The Max Lens mod, a very cool addition to the 9. It's gonna enable super view with horizon leveling and max stabilization hyper boost. There's a few surfers out for lousy conditions. I'm not sure where I should head because there's no swell either side. I reckon I'm gonna head north style. Whoa, hey. The unique thing here with the Hero 9 is that this thing shoots in 5K, so I've never shot 5K before. Today though, I'm gonna shoot 5K, I'm gonna deliver 5K. That means the camera I'm using right here, right now, this is the GoPro Hero 7, this is shooting 4K, and I'm gonna upscale this footage right here to 5K to present the footage from the GoPros in 5K. There's a little wave here. That tide gets lower, hopefully that could break. Nah, that's not going, is it? Look. You see, the tide needs to be a lot lower for that to actually work. I'm not very thrilled at the size of this. Look how big this thing is on here. Freaking massive, right? You got all this weight now on your board. It's a big thing now. All this for a better, smoother image. I'll sacrifice that for you. All right, so I've established that there is a little left-hand section that could be the spot right here. Also, I've turned off the front display, I set the front display just to numbers. I want to see how long I get with the battery here. You know, when I film surfing, I press record on here, sync the two together with a clap, and then I go out and I stay out there while this thing records the whole surf. Usually I get about an hour and 8 minutes on the Hero 7, so I'm really curious to see what this thing gives me in terms of its entire battery life, shooting 5K 30. Once I press record, no stops, it's all the way through. Oh, look at this guy. There's definitely gonna be a little section there. All right, enough waffle, let's go surfing. Freezing already. Ah, that's better. Thank you, sun. That is cold in here. Well, all right then. GoPro Hero 9, 5K 30. Freezing. Holy crap, it's cold out here. Whee! Oh, that's cold. That's really cold. What's this? Got a little section here. Didn't I tell you it would be left and I just went right? What? Well, there's one wave. It went right, not left. Ha! Another thing to note, the GoPro Hero 9, this is just straight out of the box. So I haven't put anything on the lens, it's just straight up. I haven't even licked it. Maybe I should lick these suckers, right? I see a few beads of water on that one. Get it in there. when I said I've got the front display set to numbers, I should have also suggested I've got it set to brightness minimum to conserve battery. Now that means I can't actually see this one on the front here. Oh yeah, there it is. How's the audio? How's the audio on this? There's a bit of wind coming from the south. I'll turn the GoPro around, see if it makes a difference to which microphone the audio comes through in. I'm just jumping in here while I'm editing just to hit this key point, which I don't think I hit deep enough in the video. GoPro Hero 9 5K shooting 30 doesn't give you super view, only gives you wide view. And this is not good for surfing, especially on a short board like my toothpick. Probably best illustrated with this image here, where I'm looking towards the nose of my board from about the position where my head would be. And you can clearly see that that's too close, right? The vision isn't going to be wide enough for a POV, or even from the board looking back towards the surfer. You're not going to see enough of the wave. Now, to make things a little bit more confusing, from GoPro themselves on their website, it doesn't list 2.7K 60 super view. Now, you used to be able to shoot super view in 2.7K on the Hero 7s. I never had the 8, but on the 7s, that's how I shot all my surfing. 60 frames, 2.7K super view, nice wide view for surfing, perfect. On these, apparently you can't do that, but I want to give you guys a little tip here. I'll put you down, I'm going to need 2 hands for this. If you do grab your Hero 9 and you go into the resolutions, you can actually select 2.7K 60 super view, and it works. I've got it on right now. 2.7K super view. You can't see this, but I can see it. It's nice and wide, perfect for the surfboard action. If the surfboard was just up in front of me like that, that's perfect. I don't know why GoPro don't list that on their website. That's a fundamental flaw. However, if you do buy the Max Lens mod, whenever that thing gets released, you'll be able to get a nice wide view on nearly every resolution. Not a lot going on out here. What are we, 21 minutes in? Kind of woeful, it's cold, hardly any waves, but the GoPros seem like they're doing well. This is woeful. I've just fallen off 2 takeoffs. The reason being, I am so cold. I can't feel my feet. I'm gonna stay out here as long as my Hero 7 would last, which is 1 hour and 8 minutes. And then what I'll do, assuming this is still going, don't forget we're shooting 5K here, maybe this won't last that long. What are we now? We're at 52 minutes. I'm gonna be out here at least 1 hour and 8, and then, oh, look at this wave. What? Oh, okay. Not far out enough. You're wobbly. I missed that one. My apologies. Too busy yakking. I missed a good wave. We're going to stay out here till 1 hour and 8. And then what I will do, I will go in. We'll get the Hero 7. We'll do our final piece, our final thoughts, and I'll keep these 2 rolling. And we'll see. We'll see how far they go. Well, there it is. 1 hour 8. 1 hour 8 on the GoPros. Oh, there's a wave too. Look at this. I'm taking this in. Look at this wave here. Let's go. All right. Wow. What's with that? Right on 1 hour and 8 minutes. An almighty set comes through. I wasn't ready for it. How woeful did that surf get? Look at the conditions. It's terrible. Look at this. What? This just got so woeful so quickly. I am quietly chuffed at these Hero 9s. They're still rolling. 13% battery remaining. That's shooting 5K 30. Can you imagine 2.7K super wide with the max lens mod? You probably got to get like 2 hours out of these. We've got a little ways to walk, so I'm gonna keep these suckers on and we'll walk. I'm gonna keep these things on until they expire. Still rolling, 1 hour 15, crikey. Oh, I heard a beep. Oh, that one's off. This guy's still rolling at 1 hour 19. It says it says 1 hour 20 on this guy. That one cut out at 1 hour 19. I'm very curious to see just how long this goes for. It's interesting that that one ended and this one's still going. I kind of want it to end. There it is. Powering off. There you go. If you can get 1 hour and 20 out of 5K 30, you can turn the front display up one brightness notch bar, and at 2.7K you should be able to get quite easily over 1 hour and 30, I would suggest. I'd also suggest, I'm freaking freezing, but I do want to thank the patron supporters of mine. If you support me over on Patreon, I appreciate your help. When you help me through Patreon, this enables me to purchase these items. I'm not endorsed by GoPro. I paid for these outright for the Wave a Day project. So thank you for the support over on Patreon. Much appreciation. I'm going to give you a view of the ocean one last time as this vlog rolls itself outward. Give you a little angel here of the ocean. You can see the conditions that I had here at this surf. Oh, hold on. If you enjoyed my content, don't forget to smash the like button. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and subscribe. Hit that little bell for notifications to make sure you don't miss whenever I upload. Tube. Now, let me just put you down here. Put you in a little hole in the ground. Now, is that a decent angel for you to enjoy the woeful conditions here on the outward go? I'm too cold. Enjoy the view, and I'll see you on the next vlog.